Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night from where when you're watching this video. This is John from IT Skills Academy, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can be able to extend your screen to your second display. In my case, I'll be using my two laptops, but you can also be able to use your desktop if that's what you prefer. So it's very easy. So all you just need to do is to ensure that your two screens are connected to the same network, and you just need to install one feature in your two computers and you're good to go. So let me just show you how you can be able to get that feature in a second. So what you just need to do is to just open the settings app. So once you open the settings app, of course that should by default take you to the system here. So you need to go to the apps, and what I need you to do is to go all the way to the optional features, and under the optional features you're going to see a list of the installed features here. And one of the feature in my case that you can see is wireless display. In your case you might not see it if you have not installed it yet, and so if you cannot be able to see that in this specific list, what I need you to do is to go to view features, and here you can be able to search the feature. So the feature is called wireless feature, and in my case I already have it installed, and probably I might not be able to see it here, but when you search it, it should be able to appear here, and then you can be able to click next, and the next step, it will be just installing. So it will just take a minute or two depending on the speed of your computer. So once it is installed, then it should be listed in this installed features list, and then after that you're ready to go. So all you just need to do is to press the Windows logo plus I, or rather the Windows logo plus K, sorry. The Windows logo plus K is what you need to click, and that of course now should open the cast as you can see here, and this is the shortcut. And now you can be able to either duplicate or extend your display. In my case I have it extended, and that way I'm able to do as you can see here. Now, so if you ever wish to disconnect the extended display, of course you just need to press the Windows logo plus K to open the cast again, and then you can see we have the disconnect. You just need to click it, and of course that will disconnect the extended display. And that's how you can be able to easily extend your screen to another screen, just to help you be productive. So hope the video was helpful. If it was helpful, kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to IT Skills Academy, kindly smash that subscription button, and also turn on notification bell so that you're notified every time I release a new video. Up until the next one, stay safe.